Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the some looping structure of PHP. We will cover while and do while loop in this tutorial. And we will study for and for each loop in our next tutorial. Loops execute a block of code a specified number of times or while a specified condition is true. PHP loops. Often when you write code, you want the same block of code to run over and over again in a row, instead of adding several almost equal lines in a script. We can use loops to perform a task like this. In PHP, we have while loop, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. While loop loops through a block of code while a specified condition is true. Then do while loop loops through a block of code once and then repeat the loop as long as a specified condition is true. Then for loop loops through a block of code a specified number of times. For each loop, especially for the array, loops through a block of code for each element in an array. Now, the while loop. The while loop executes a block of code while a condition is true. This is the syntax for while loop. Here in this syntax, while contains condition as an argument, and this code will run as long as this condition is true. Let's see the example. So this is the example for while loop. Here first initialization process I is equal to 1, then conditional process I less than equal to 5, and the block of code with increment of I. So this example defines a loop that starts with I is equal to 1. The loop will continue to run as long as I is less than or equal to 5. I will increase by 1 each time the loop runs. Let's see the output. This is the output of while loop. Next, do while loop. The do while loop will always execute the block of code once. It will then check the condition and repeat the loop while condition is true. This is the syntax for do while loop. First, this code will be executed at least once, and then condition will be checked. Let's see the example. Here first initialization process, then incremental process, and then this code will be executed. First time code will be executed, then this condition will be checked. So this example defines a loop that starts with I equal to 1. It will then increment I with 1 and write some output. Then the condition is checked and the loop will continue to run as long as I is less than or equal to 5. Now let's see the output. So this is the output of our do while loop.